Today I'm sharing with you the Julep eyeshadow. Hi guys, today I'm sharing with you the Julep eyeshadow 101. The shade that I'm talking about is called Champagne Shimmer. This is how it looks like. It's like a subtle but a beautiful pearl goldenish on certain, like, I think skin tones. Might look little bronze as well. So this is an apt choice for people who like little bit of shimmer, dewy look, sheen on their eyelids, around the eye area, maybe on the inner corners as well, but don't like a lot of drama when it comes to eyes. So this does not have a lot of coverage. So for people who like highly pigmented, very long stay kind of, and bold and dramatic eye makeup, this is definitely not one. This is just like to add that subtle dash of shimmer, ideal for like a day outing. A lot of people might consider like a night thing as well. For me, this is very subtle. Like, I literally just use it on days when I have to like underplay my eye makeup. But just to let you guys know, this also comes in like little dense pigmented shades. Although this is more this range of eyeshadow by Julep is more towards neutrals and pastels and very subdued, subtle colors, but I think there are some very limited dense and more dramatic colors as well. So I definitely know there's an emerald green kind of a color which looks pretty dense and nice and dramatic. There's also like a charcoal and few other shades around charcoal. So for people who want like those kind of colors, can check this out as well. So guys, application is really simple, because with these stick things, that's always a good thing. You just like remove the lid, this has this revolving mechanism, the stick comes out, you apply. And a very good thing about this stick is that on the other side you have this smudge brush as well. So once you've applied the eyeshadow, looks something like this. You can use the smudge brush to actually blend it, right? So if you want like a really subtle kind of a look, you can use this. A lot of us just prefer to use our fingers, so you use this, and see, it does add a little bit of shimmer and a hue to the skin tone, but it's very subtle. But this is that specific color, the Champagne Shimmer. As I said, there are other colors as well. This is more universal, right, for I think all kinds of skin tones, and this works for all occasions. So I feel this can be worn in the daytime, nighttime, with a fun frilly dress, a casual dress, as well as like a very formal gown as well. So guys, few things about this eyeshadow stick. This is non-greasy, feels very light on the skin. Although I said it's less coverage as well, but then that's the good thing about it. It is smudge proof. I wouldn't call it very long stay, because frankly speaking, if the eyeshadow is not very highly pigmented, it doesn't stay for very long. So I doubt it's gonna stay for very long. But I would say ideal choice for people who like that quick touch of makeup whenever they're leaving their house, who don't like to overdo it, and also for people who just like to keep stack one kind of eyeshadow. They wouldn't like to buy like a different one for the daytime, different one for the nighttime. So this is super convenient. You just have to buy one which works for all kinds of dresses and times of the day. And also the stick is very like light, so very good for travel. Just keeping it in my handbag whole day, it's like just feels weightless actually. Alright guys, that's all from my side for today. I'll see you again with yet another useful video. Bye bye.